Most people think Google Sheets is just a spreadsheet. Rows, columns, maybe a few formulas. But what most people don't realize is that a single spreadsheet can actually power an entire business system. You can turn it into a mobile app, a data analytics platform, and even a backend API. And yes, all of that can run on top of one spreadsheet. In this video, I'll show you 3 powerful tools from the Google ecosystem that can transform how to use spreadsheets. We'll look at turning a spreadsheet into a mobile application, building professional dashboards and analytics, and using a spreadsheet as a backend API. And at the end, I'll show you how these tools together can transform a complete ERP system. Let's start with the first one. The first tool is AppSheet. AppSheet allows you to convert a spreadsheet into a fully functional mobile app without writing a code. Here's the basic idea. You start with your spreadsheet where all your data lives. After that, click on Extension, AppSheet, and create an app. Then AppSheet automatically generates an interface based on that structure. You immediately get things like list of records, form for entering new data, editing capabilities, and navigation between tables. Instead of asking employees to open a spreadsheet, you can give them a clean mobile interface. The spreadsheet reminds the database, while the app becomes an interface for your users. But collecting data is only half of the story, because once you have a data, the next step is understanding it. This is where Looker Studio comes in. Looker Studio allows you to transform spreadsheet data into interactive dashboards and analytics reports. You simply connect your spreadsheet as a data source. And within a minute, you can build charts, KPI dashboards, performance reports, interactive filters. One of the biggest advantages is that everything updates automatically. Whenever your spreadsheet changes, your dashboards updates as well. This means manager or you can open a single dashboard and immediately see the current state of the businesses. Instead of reading rows of data, you can get clear visual insights. But there's still one more powerful layer we can add. Because a spreadsheet can actually do most people never expect. It can work as a backend system. Using Google AppScript, you can turn your spreadsheet into an API. AppScript allows you to write server-side logic directly connected to your spreadsheet. For example, you can create a web endpoint that reads data from the spreadsheet, writes new data, processes information, and returns responses as a JSON. This means external system can communicate directly with your spreadsheet. Mobile apps, automation tools, or other services can send requests and receive data. In other words, your spreadsheet becomes more than just storage. It becomes a backend for your system. Now imagine combining all of this together. You use AppSheet for the mobile interface, Google Sheets as a database, AppScript as a backend logic and API, and Looker Studio for analytics and dashboards. So this is the way how you can build your own ERP system when everything works together. In the next video, I'm going to show you one of the most powerful techniques for building scalable spreadsheet system. It's called coordinate-free data reading. This method allows the system keep working, even if the structure of your spreadsheet changes. And surprise, almost nobody talks about it. So if you want to build reliable system on top of spreadsheet, make sure that you are subscribed.